So I did some research on Muon Optimizer, just trying out some hyperparameters, and my most important findings is that out of 18 experiments, this learning rate, this momentum, and 4 Newton-Schulz steps achieve best results. You can see very bad results down here. The learning rate is too high here. I think this is very easy to read, so if you want to build further on this research, I have the code here. If you click this GitHub repository, so the code here, everything is explained. This is the same thing. We just plot this onto a graph. This is the loss, so I did 1,500 steps. So I did a few steps, maybe not enough for a longer run. Maybe a longer run would prove a bit different, give a bit different results. But you see here on this heat map that, for example, this learning rate and this setup is very bad. So looks like momentum is different here, and this momentum is a bit, makes it a lot better then. So it's actually weird. This is the best setup, it seems. But I only tested 18 experiments, so you should maybe look further into this. And this is the code. So this one, Muon ablations, I ran this on Vast AI, and this is the paper in latex. And if you scroll down, I have like the setup. So it's a very small model. This is the data set that I used. And you load tokenizer from one of the small LM pre-trained models. But you'll see everything in the code. You can just copy code into ChatGPT and ask it to explain. So I tried these learning rates, these 3. And then these 2 momentums, these 2 Newton-Schulz iterations. Maybe we could have tried even more. So these are model dimensions, very small, just 2 layers, 4 attention heads, feed forward. So this is the 4x. I put it 4x, this one. Tokenizer and sequence length 256. So tokenizer is the small LM tokenizer. I think this is really good for small LM training. It's very clean and good, I think. So here but this will automatically get loaded when you just run the script. With just the basic Python command, run the script. I think it's very easy. Tell me what you know about this, because I did this, but I'm not 100% sure. Maybe I should try more experiments. I did not do it for now. I just wanted to try something quickly. So maybe in future. Check out my other videos, especially these last 2. They have some good research. I'm doing this research all the time now. So before I wasn't even able to do it because I couldn't code it. So before I was just trying to understand things, but now I started to do research myself. So check it out and see you next time.